Hi there, students. Pusillanimous. Pusillanimous, an adjective. Pusillanimously, the adverb. Pusillanimousness, the noun. This is a great word for a tongue twister. I'm sure I'm going to get it wrong a couple of times in the video. So if you are pusillanimous, you are lacking courage. You don't have determination. You're cowardly. You lack resignation to the fact that you're going to do it. So the government is far too pusillanimous to deal with any of the real problems that we have in society. He is so pusillanimous that he will not take any decision without his boss's prior ratification. So before he takes a decision, he asks his boss to make the decision for him, more or less. So, pusillanimous, timid, spineless, lily-livered, gutless. The bird pusillanimously flew down and took the bread. Okay, he's afraid. Here, being pusillanimous is probably reasonable. He was so pusillanimous that he didn't dare ask her out on a date. Faint heart never won fair maid. Okay, so too timid, too shy, too introverted. She pusillanimously agreed to my proposition, timidly, without great enthusiasm. Students, when they speak English, often speak English very pusillanimously. They speak very quietly and they're very worried about making mistakes. In the end, it means they can't be heard. So be brave, don't be pusillanimous. Make mistakes, and from those mistakes you'll learn. So pusillanimous, faint-hearted, yellow-bellied, chicken, lacking determination. In a society where everyone is afraid of litigation and being sued, everyone is pusillanimous about doing anything. So, pusillanimous, not being brave enough or being very timid, not being determined and going for it. He pusillanimously asked me if he could borrow some money, and I said no, and that's the opposite of pusillanimous. Okay, wild animals are very pusillanimous when they hear the sounds of humans. They run away. I'm not surprised. Okay, so pusillanimous, cowardly, without determination. Okay, not with a fixed idea, I'm going to do this, and to be brave and bold about it. The opposite. So, next question, what about formality? Okay, this word pusillanimous to me sounds very formal. I think I'd probably give it 8, even a 9 in formality. This is the sort of word that if you use it in a conversation, even a semi-formal one, many people are either not going to know what it means, or they're going to ask you directly what it means if they're not too pusillanimous to ask you the meaning. Informally, cowardly, timid, spineless, something like that. And let's see, what about the origin? Well, the word itself comes from Latin. Pusillanimous, pusillus, meaning very small, and animus, mind. So small-minded. Well, not with strong intention, with weak intention. Okay, so pusillanimous. Weak, cowardly, lily-livered, not daring to do things. So, if you enjoyed the video, don't be pusillanimous and give it a rating. If you'd like to hear more videos, subscribe to my channel. There are 2 new ones every day. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pusillanimous.